The second important place to place your keyword is the heading. There are 6 levels of heading starting from H1 to H6. Now let me show you. Here you can see it is H1. Go down, you will find H2 and one more H2 heading. If you are not sure what is the level of these headings, copy this URL and open this website and paste the URL. Check this button to perform the check. Within seconds, your report will be ready and it says there is one H1 heading and 51 H2 headings. Let us confirm it. Is this there in the website? Yes, it is there. The H2 heading? Yes, it is there. Similarly, you can check other headings as well. From SEO point of view, you should include the relevant keywords in the headings intentionally, but those keywords should be relevant to the context. It will help the search engine to understand the relevance of the content of your website. How to add keywords in the heading? It's very simple. First, plan how many levels of headings you want to use in the content. Then accordingly, use various levels of headings from here in the WordPress editor. In this post, I am explaining on-page SEO techniques. My first heading will be 10 best on-page SEO techniques. Indexing, placement of keywords, meta tags, text, and so on. Strategically insert your keywords in these headings. The next place to put your keyword is the actual text of the post or page. It may be a simple article about any topic, or it may be a product page explaining various features of the product, or it may be any page in a given context of your website. In this case, you have to blend the content in such a way that important keywords are included in the text. You need to mention the keyword once only. However, you may repeat it if it looks natural. While writing the content of web page, keep in mind the keyword density. What is keyword density? Keyword density is a percentage of number of times a keyword appears on a page divided by total number of words on that page. For example, if there are 500 words in a page and it includes the word digital marketing 20 times, then the keyword density is 4%, which seems to be very high. Now the question is, what is the ideal level of keyword density and how to find it? How to calculate keyword density? There are many tools and extensions available to check the keyword density of a given page. Let me demonstrate this one. The name of this small but effective tool is Keyword Density Checker and is available on this URL. There are two options to use. Either you can enter the URL of your page for which you want to check the keyword density here, or you can simply paste the text here. I want to check the keyword density of this page. Just copy the URL and paste it here. This tool will only show you the results of top keywords, not for all keywords. If you want to calculate the density of any specific region, then add that word here, otherwise leave it blank. Let it be checked and finally click Check the keyword density. Here are your results. It took around 1 minute. This is your URL and there are 300 words on the page for which we are checking the density. It has prepared the word cloud for you to show the keywords. This is the actual report. In the first part, it shows the top keywords on the page like business school, university business school, with frequency 8 for the first keyword. It also indicates that whether word is present in the title tag, description tag, and heading of the page. Very interesting. Next is keyword density. It shows you the density of one word, two word, 3 words and 4 words. In the case of one word, keyword density for this word is 7.18%. Means this word has been used maximum times in the content. But usually, one word keyword density doesn't signify much. We should check the density of couple of words or for long phrases. Like, for 2 words, keyword density for business school is here. This is for 3 words and this is for 4 words. In this case, you can see we have very long phrases and the density is under 1. The question is still there, that what is the optimal level of keyword density? Actually, there is no official version from the Google in this regard that what will be the level of keyword density, and a debate is going on amongst the SEO master in this regard. However, Google has a policy to penalize your content and to treat your content as a spam if you will intentionally try to repeat the keywords many times in a web page or in a post. So I advise you, when you develop your content, so be natural. Don't try to repeat the content or the keywords of your website unnecessarily. So it will lead you to spamming of your content by the Google.